Welcome to today's video. We will explore 14 basic one-hand gesture in Bharatanatyam known as Asamyukta Hasta Mudras. Each mudra has a name, meaning, and unique hand positions. Let's begin. This is Pataka, which means flag. It is used to show stopping, blessing, or cloud. This is Tripataka, meaning three parts of a flag. This is Ardhapataka, meaning half flag. It used to show leaves, a board, or a knife. This is Korturimukha, meaning scissor or arrowhead. It is used to show separation, lightning, or failing. This is Mayura, meaning peacock. It is used to show a peacock, gentle movements, or tilak. This is Ardhachandra, meaning half moon. It used to show the moon, a plate. This is Aralam, meaning graceful curve. It is used to show drinking, nectar, poison, or wind. This is Shukhatunda, meaning parrot's beak. It is used to show a shooting arrow or ferocity. This is Mushti, which means fist. It represents strength, firmness, or holding something tightly. This is Shikhara, meaning peak. It used to show a bow, the symbol of Lord Shiva. This is Kopitha, meaning wood apple. It is used in goddess worship, especially Lakshmi and Saraswati. This is Kotakamukha, meaning opening in a bracelet. It is used for holding flowers, a necklace, or preparing for a garland. This is Shuchi, meaning needle face. It is used to show applying kajal, collecting a flower. This is Chandrakala, meaning digit of the moon. It is used to show the moon, a beautiful face, or a weapon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy learning these mudras, please like, share, and subscribe for more Bharatanatyam videos.